What's up, guys? We're just outside Garlic and Chives. There's a long wait. This place is supposed to be one of the best Vietnamese fusions in OC, and that says a lot because OC has a bunch of Vietnamese food. But I'm going to see how it tastes and tell you guys what I think about it in this food vlog. So let's go. So after waiting in that line for about 30 minutes or so, we finally got in. The line actually was below average because this place is pretty popular, and the line is always around like an hour apparently. And also this place is not that big too, which is why it's a long wait time. But yeah, we finally got in. Yeah, so first we got all the appetizers that were really recommended by the staff, Yelp. That seems popular here, which first was the sizzling live scallop, which I really like. It was really buttery and soft, and it was on a sizzling plate, which is really cool as well. Then we got the ahi poke, which is probably my favorite dish here, ironically, because it's not really like a Vietnamese dish. But yeah, the ahi poke salad was really fire as well. And after that, we got the jumbo sea snails, which I really like as well. The sea snails are really fresh, and it tasted really good with the combination of their custom Nuc Mam fish sauce. That was really good as well. And then after that, we moved on to our entrees, which we got the bottle block. This is supposed to be one of their most popular dishes there. It was really well praised by everyone, but I found it a little bit underwhelming. I feel like it had too much of a garlicky taste and it was a bit too sweet for my liking, but it wasn't terrible, so that was good as well. And after that, we got the fish canh chua sweet and sour soup. Also, it was a bit too sweet and garlicky. That seems to be the theme here, but it wasn't terrible, but it just wasn't as hyped as everyone said these two dishes were. And then after that, we got to the final boss of the dinner, which is what we basically came here for, which was the garlic lobster noodle. This is actually like a custom order because usually the tiger prawn noodle, but we got the lobster added on at market price. The minimum was like 4 pounds, which was huge. They gave us way too much, but that was a minimum order, and that's what we came here for, so we got that. But yeah, just like the same as the others, it was a bit too garlicky and a bit too sweet for my liking. But then again, it wasn't terrible, but it just, I've had better garlic lobster noodle elsewhere. So yeah, and in the end, the restaurant was pretty good. It wasn't terrible, but it wasn't as hyped as I thought it would be. So yeah, I give it around like 3.5 out of 4 out of 5 stars. It was pretty good, but not the best Vietnamese fusion. But yeah, I guess they have really good marketing or media presence or something, because this place gets crazy business. But in the end, it was pretty good. I liked my meal, but it still wasn't the best. So yeah, thanks for watching this. Like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more vlogs from me. Thanks.